So talking about mustard oil, like you said that how much to have in a day. Also, is it good when you have to fry mustard oil? And is it I've heard that it absorbs less. When you fry something in mustard oil, it usually absorbs less oil. So, what do you have to say about that?
So before that, let me explain to the people. There are two types of fats. One is saturated, one is unsaturated. In saturated fat, anything which is liquid at room temperature is unsaturated. Anything which is solid at room temperature is saturated. In saturated also you have two types. One is a clarified butter or a desi ghee, and second is a trans fat which is vanaspati. Vanaspati or a trans fat will increase LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, reduce good cholesterol. So the worst is trans fat. Okay, so therefore, most of the people, if you say in a halwai, in a shop, they will be using trans fat, which is a killer. There was a time people used to have, everybody used to have a pakoda or everything in a mustard oil on the streets. And then they shifted and replaced mustard oil with, they shifted it with a trans fat, which is a vanaspati ghee, which became a killer, number one killer in the country. So one thing is very clear, we should not be using trans fat. As far as vanaspati, as far as the desi ghee is concerned, yes, it increases LDL but does not reduce the HDL. So therefore, that is number two. And in number three comes is monosaturated oils. In monosaturated oils, a person who can, everybody who can afford is a mustard oil, and anybody who cannot afford is a olive oil. So these are the spectrum of mufa oils, starting from mustard oil to an olive oil. But mustard oil, because it can be reused, it can be reheated, it doesn't become rancid, it doesn't cause this, and it doesn't cause production of free radicals. Therefore, we always say that in India, with most of the people living as a middle class, mustard oil still will remain as one of the best choice.